Looking for a CPU cooler that delivers both powerful performance and eye-catching style? Imagine a fan that not only keeps your processor running cool under pressure but also lights up your rig with vibrant, customizable colors synced perfectly to your motherboard's RGB system. This CPU fan supports 5V RGB sync-enabled motherboards from top brands like ASUS, ASRock, Gigabyte, and MSI, giving you complete control over your lighting effects with ease. What sets this cooler apart is its built-in ARGB LED system featuring 15 high-lumen addressable LEDs capable of displaying over 16.8 million colors. Whether you want a subtle glow or a dynamic light show, the options are endless. But it's not just about looks. The fan's 9 high airflow blades are designed to push a large volume of air through an aluminum heatsink, ensuring steady airflow and consistent cooling performance. This means your CPU stays cool even during intense gaming sessions or heavy workloads. Quiet operation is another highlight. Thanks to a reliable hydraulic bearing system with self-lubrication and friction-reducing materials, this fan runs smoothly and quietly, reducing noise without sacrificing efficiency. You get excellent thermal management without the distracting hum or rattle that some fans produce. Installation won't slow you down either. With a universal all-in-one backplate, this cooler fits seamlessly on a wide range of Intel and AMD sockets, including Intel LGA 1200, 1156, 1155, 1151, 1150, 775 and AMD AM4, FM2, FM1, AM3+, AM3, AM2+, and AM2. It's designed for hassle-free setup, so you can get back to building or upgrading your system quickly. Users from the United States have praised this cooler for its easy installation, quiet operation, and excellent cooling performance. One satisfied customer even bought a second unit as a gift and plans to get a third, highlighting its reliability and appeal. It's a solid choice if you want a dependable cooler that pairs perfectly with Razer Chroma and other RGB setups. If you're ready to upgrade your PC's cooling and lighting game, this CPU fan is worth a look. It offers what you get: vibrant RGB sync, strong airflow, quiet operation, and broad compatibility. Whether you're building a new rig or replacing an old cooler, this product brings both performance and style to the table. Try it when you're ready to see the difference in both cooling efficiency and visual impact.